Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Line. Myself Milian Patel, Assistant Professor at LJIET Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today's topic is Building Services. This is the second lecture of this topic. In previous lecture, we have covered three topics. First, Introduction of Building Services. Second, House Water Connection, in which we have covered various pipe fittings or fixtures. And lastly, we have covered various systems for water pipings in buildings. In today's lecture, lecture number 2, we will cover first, house drainage system, second, various components of house drainage system, and lastly, we will cover various systems of plumbing. So without wasting much time, let's begin with house drainage system, in which first we will discuss what is house drainage system, second, aims of house drainage system, and lastly we will cover various principles of house drainage. Okay, let's start with house drainage system. A building is provided with a drainage system to discharge effectively the sewage of the building into the public sewer. Okay, the domestic sewage or sewage from building includes human excreta as well as discharge from bathrooms, kitchens, lavatories, etc. and is collected by building sewers and finally discharged into the public sewer. Okay, the principles and procedures to be followed while constructing and laying several lines in private buildings are referred as house drainage system. Okay, now let's discuss various aims of house drainage. First aim is to maintain healthy conditions in the building. It is used to dispose of wastewater as early and quickly as possible. It is used to avoid the entry of foul gases from the sewer or the septic tanks. It is also used to facilitate quick removal of foul matter or human excreta. Okay? It is also used to collect and remove waste matters systematically. Okay, that's all about various aims of house drainage. Now, let's discuss the principles of house drainage. For proper design and construction of house drainage, the following principles should be met. First, it is advisable to lay the sewers by the side of the building rather than below the building. Okay. Second, all the drains should be laid straight between inspection chambers, avoiding sharp bends and junctions as far as possible. The house drain should be connected to the public sewer only. Okay. The lavatory blocks should be so located that the length of the drainage line is minimum. The house drainage system should contain enough taps at suitable points for its efficient functioning. Okay. The joints of showers should be watertight and should be properly tested before putting the drainage line to use. Okay. The lateral sewers should be laid at a proper gradient so that they can develop self-cleansing velocity. Okay. Next is the size of drain should be sufficient so that they do not overflow at the time of maximum discharge. Next is the layout of the house drainage system should permit easy cleaning and removal of obstructions. Okay. The entire system should be properly ventilated from the starting point to the final point of disposal. Okay. The house drain should be disconnected to the public sewers by the provision of an intercepting trap. All the materials and the fittings of the drainage system should be hard, strong and resistant to corrosion action. Okay. The entire system should be so designed that the possibilities of formation of airlocks, siphonage under deposits are minimized. Okay. Rainwater pipe should be drained out rainwater directly into the street gutters from where it is carried to the stormwater drain. Okay. These are the various points to be considered while planning of the house drainage system. Okay. That's all about house drainage system. Now let's move to the second topic in today's lecture, which is the components of house drainage system. in which first we will discuss trap, then pipes, and lastly we will discuss various sanitary fittings. First is traps. The device which is connected at the end of soil pipe or waste pipe to stop the entry of foul gases inside the building is known as trap. This is the figure of the trap. Okay. Bent pipe is in the shape of U. You can clearly see in this figure also, which always remain full of water. Okay. The vertical distance between the crown and the tip of the trap is known as water sill. You can clearly see the water sill in this figure also. This portion always remains full of water. Okay. Water sill varies from 75 mm to 100 mm. Okay. This water sill is required to prevent the entry of foul gases in the building from the drain line. Okay. That's all about the traps. Now let's discuss the classification of traps. First is according to shape and second is according to use. According to shape, first type of trap is P trap. The shape of this trap is like P letter. Okay. The legs are at right angles to each other. Okay. It is generally provided with pipelines from urinals, latrines or bathrooms to prevent foul gases from entering into the house. Okay. Second is Q type of trap. Okay. It resembles the shape of letter Q. Okay. Legs are met at an angle other than the right angles. Okay. It is provided with domestic drainage line according to the position of the site. Okay. You can clearly see the water sill. Okay. In this trap also. Third type of trap according to shape is S trap. Okay. It resembles the shape of letter S. Okay. Both legs are parallel to each other. Okay. Discharging is in the same direction. Okay. It is generally provided with domestic drainage line according to the position of the site. Okay. So based on site, you can select P type of trap, Q type of trap, or S type of trap. Okay. That's all about classification of trap according to shape. Now we will see classification of trap according to use, in which first type of trap is Nani trap. Okay. It is used to collect wash water from floors, kitchen and bathrooms. It is made of cast iron. Okay. Removable cast iron grating is also provided to prevent entry of solid matters into the drains. Okay. This is the grating which is provided at the top of this trap. Okay. Water sill prevents the foul gases into the bathroom or kitchen. Okay. It is generally provided in various bathrooms as well as kitchens. Okay. Second type of trap is gully trap. Okay, it is made of stoneware or of cast iron. Okay, it is generally provided as external face of the wall. Okay, it is used for connecting house drain to the underground civil line. Okay, water sill prevents foul gases into the house in this type of trap also. Okay, CI cover, cast iron cover is generally provided for cleaning purpose. Okay, at the top of this trap. Okay. And the third type of trap is intercepted type of trap. It is generally provided at the junction of house sewer and municipal sewer. Okay, it is used to prevent entry of foul gases of municipal sewer into the house drainage. It has an opening at the top called cleaning eye. Okay, or roding arm having tight fitting plug for frequent type of cleaning. Okay, you can clearly see how intercepting trap looks like. Okay, this is the inlet from the house, this is the outlet to the street sewer. Okay, this is the water sill. Okay, and the top of the one is inspection arm or roding arm is there for cleaning purpose. Okay, that's all about the classification of traps. Now let's discuss pipes, in which first is soil pipe. A soil pipe through which liquid waste including human etc. flows. Okay. Second type of pipe is waste pipe. Is a pipe which carries only liquid waste, does not carry human excreta. Okay. Third type of pipe is vent pipe. It is used for ventilation purpose. It is a pipe which is installed to provide flow of air to or from the drainage system. It is open at top and bottom to facilitate exit of fall gases. Okay. Fourth type of pipe is rainwater pipe. It is a pipe which carries the rainwater. Okay. And the last type of pipe is anti-siphonage pipe. It is a pipe which is installed in the house drainage plumbing system to preserve water seal of the traps through proper ventilation. Okay. These are the various types of pipes which are used in various buildings. Okay. Now let's discuss the third component of house drainage system, which is sanitary fittings, in which first we will discuss water closet, then urinals, third is wash basin, fourth is sinks, and lastly we will cover various bathtubs. Okay. First is water closet. Sanitary fittings in which human etc. is discharged and conveyed to septic tank or underground sewer line is known as water closet. You can clearly see the water closet in this figure. These water closets are of three types. First is European type of water closet. This is the figure of European type of water closet. Second is Indian type of water closet. And the third is Anglo-Indian type of water closets. Okay. These are the plan and sections of European water closet, Indian water closet, and Anglo-Indian water closet. Okay. That's all about the water closet. Second is urinals. The system for collection and disposal of urine is known as urinal. These urinals are of two types. First is wall type of urinals, is generally used in various commercial type of buildings. Okay. Second is slab or stool type of urinals. Okay. This is the slab type of urinals. Okay. That's all about urinals. Third is wash basin. It is made of pottery or porcelain. Okay. Available in different color and sizes. There are two types of wash basin: flat back type, okay, in which the back portion is flat, and second is angle back type, in which there is an angle at the back side of this wash basin. Okay, it has an oval shaped bowl with an overflow slot at the top. Okay, waste pipe with metallic strainer is provided at the bottom of this wash basin. Okay, it is provided in kitchens, bathrooms, or some suitable space for washing hands or face. Okay, that's all about wash basin. Fourth sanitary fittings is sink. A sink is used in kitchen or some laboratories. Okay, it is made of glazed fire clay, okay, or stainless steel, metal, porcelain, or enameled pressure steel. Okay, the outlet pipe is provided with grating of brass or nickel, which may discharge over the floor trap or nanny trap. Okay, that's all about sink. The last sanitary fitting is bathtubs. It is made of iron or steel coated with enamel porcelain or plastic material. It is provided with outlet and overflow pipes. You can clearly see the bathtubs. Okay, the trap with proper waste seal is used at the outlet in these bathtubs. Okay, that's all about various sanitary fittings used in various types of buildings. Okay, that's all about the components of house drainage system. Now let's see house drainage system layout. This is the house drainage system for a particular building. Okay, you can clearly see the plan of the building, in which bedroom, storeroom, kitchen, one also second bedroom, dining room, water closet, bathrooms, veranda, living room, second bathroom, water closet is provided. In which first is sewer line, which is come from the municipal sewer line. Okay, this is the main hall. This is the intermediate main hall. Okay, this is the inspection chamber, to which you can connect your drainage lines to the municipal sewer line. Okay, in which one waste pipe is there, one gully trap is there, one sewage collect and vent pipe is there. Okay, to bathroom and water closet. In kitchen, you can clearly see one waste pipe is attached. Okay, and one gully trap is provided. Okay, in second bathroom, one soil pipe, one sewage collect and vent pipe is there. Okay, one soil pipe and one gully trap is provided to bathroom and water closet. Okay, this is the overall house drainage system or of 2 BHK residential building. Okay, that's all about the components of house drainage system. Now let's see the systems of plumbing. First is single stage system, second is one pipe system, third is partially ventilated single stage system, and fourth is two pipe system. First is single stage system. Only single pipe act as soil pipe, waste pipe and ventilation pipe. Okay, for soil, waste and ventilation only one pipe is provided in a building. Okay, it is called a single stage system. This is poorly ventilated. Okay, it is simple system and easy to construct. Okay, in old houses this type of system is provided. Okay, the risk of water seal breaking in the trap is high because of induced siphonage. Okay, waste or air of the waste pipe may be forced off due to the back pressure. Okay, so back pressure problems is occurred in this type of single stage system. Okay, now let's discuss the second system of plumbing, which is one pipe system. A separate vent pipe is provided in this system. In this figure, you can clearly see one vent pipe is provided for ventilation. Okay, for air circulation in the drainage lines. This system is costly and difficult to construct. Okay, ventilation is provided to sludge pipes and soil pipes also. Okay, you can clearly see the connection from vent pipe to various bathroom, kitchen, okay, various sinks, water closets, etc. Okay, arrangement of this pipe work is difficult. Okay, because vent pipe is provided to all fixers. Okay, that's all about one pipe system. Now let's discuss partially ventilated single stage system. Only water closet traps are ventilated in this type of system. Okay, in one pipe system, ventilation pipe is attached to the all fixtures, while partially ventilated single stage system, only water closet traps are ventilated. Okay, traps of bathroom, wash basin and kitchen are not joined with vent pipe. Okay, this is the economical system generally used in residential buildings. It is required to maintain water seal of 75 mm or more. Okay, it has simple arrangement of pipe layout. Okay, that's all about partially ventilated single stage type of system. Okay, now let's discuss two pipe system. In this type of system, water closets, bath traps, kitchen traps and wash basin traps all are connected to the vent pipes like the one pipe system. Okay, here separate soil pipe as well as waste pipes are also provided, which is not there in one pipe system. Okay, two vent pipes are provided. Okay, in one pipe system only one vent pipe is provided. Here two vent pipes are provided. Okay, there are four stacks in this system. One is waste pipe, second is soil pipe and two ventilation pipes. Okay, it is efficient system but costlier than the other three systems. Okay, that's all about various systems of plumbing. Okay, that's all about today's lecture. I hope you all understand house drainage system, various components of house drainage system and four systems of plumbing. See you soon in the next lecture. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Civil Line. Thank you.